Welcome to Deck 36, issue number 03. This video explores engineering, AI, conservation, baseball, music, and the human system, recorded on November 30th, 2023. Issue number 03 returns after a busy fall filled with family milestones, travel, AI, and more. As we've noted, music and engineering go together in a big way. In this video, we provide a field log from November 2023, covering topics ranging from travel and baseball to AI, conservation, and music. This issue was written during a dynamic time, capturing a missed engineering conference, a patent push, the OpenAI leadership crisis, and a changing relationship with AI-generated media. Fall 2023 brought plenty of movement, with travel plans spanning Chicago, Cleveland, Orlando, and nearly reaching New Orleans. Engineering truly has a geography. For us, the work was happening across many different places, not just at a desk, during our travels this past fall. After dealing with a 26-hour ordeal at the Orlando airport and a missed connection, it became clear that for future travel, I'm coming home via Amtrak. For travelers who prefer rail over flying, the train is not just nostalgia. It is a practical, effective engineering system for moving people over distance. Home also means snow. On Halloween, lake effect snow arrived early, dropping 4 inches on northeast Ohio and complicating travel before we even left Cleveland. Understanding lake effect snow is an exercise in systems engineering. Cold air moves across warm lake water, creating moisture and snow bands downwind. Weather is a system, and so is travel. We are also excited to introduce Pennant View, which explores baseball biophysics through an engineering lens. Pennant View applies engineering analysis to baseball. The process involves observing mechanics, adjusting the system, measuring results, and learning from the data. Welcome to this video on the biomechanics of pitching. We begin by looking at the pitching motion, which is better understood as a timed sequence of linked body segments, rather than just a single arm motion. This sequence follows a kinetic chain. Legs generate force, hips and torso transfer energy, the shoulder and elbow accelerate the arm, and the wrist delivers the ball. The key is how well the entire system transfers energy. Understanding this chain is vital, as high performance requires repeated loading. If there are timing errors, poor mechanics, or fatigue, the load can shift to tissues not designed for it, which is often why pitchers break. Engineering perspectives, like those used in Pennant View, view this motion as measurable and adjustable. It emphasizes that changes should be tested with data, and the actual demonstration is more important than a presentation. Moving on, this video explores how Deck 36 gets physical. We are looking at Oapsie swag and branding as a way to learn about social media marketing by actually doing it. By creating branded merchandise like shirts and hats, we turned a newsletter concept into a physical object. This served as an experiment to learn how small businesses promote and sell products through online channels. This was about more than just swag. It was about building genuine capabilities in social media, online presence, brand creation, engineering services, and utilizing AI-assisted content creation. The landscape of AI was changing rapidly during November 2023, moving much faster than any newsletter could effectively summarize. For Oapsie, whose technology stack relied heavily on OpenAI, the leadership crisis at the time became an immediate and complex business problem. We tracked the developments surrounding Sam Altman and OpenAI. This issue captured the story while it was still unfolding, treating the instability as a crucial part of the overall signal. We keep these original visuals in the video as an artifact of our real-time reaction. They represent how we engaged with the news as it happened, rather than providing a retrospective rewrite. Looking back at recent events, the crisis was significant because the platform served as essential infrastructure for real work. When the organization destabilized, the impact on downstream users was immediate and clear. This brings us to the governance question. As technology evolves into critical infrastructure, governance must be treated as an essential engineering concern. It is clear that AI development often moves faster than our institutions can adapt. Issue number 3 acknowledged this speed and the operational challenges it creates, while guiding readers toward more detailed resources. The events of late 2023 highlighted a critical reality. AI systems do not operate in a vacuum. They inherit the instabilities of the institutions that create and support them. Our focus now shifts back to the fundamentals of engineering, specifically looking at the ASMEIMECE 2023 conference in New Orleans and the event that almost was. The ASME conference was a cornerstone of Oapsie's 2023 business year. Attending in person was vital, as it facilitated necessary conference publications and entries into the Library of Congress. Professional engineering communities remain essential. They provide spaces for publication, establish shared technical standards, and build professional credibility through active participation and cross-generational connections. Engineering is fundamentally a conversation that spans generations. It relies not just on conferences, but on oaths, mentorship, shared standards, and a commitment to preserving useful knowledge. Conservation is also a core part of engineering. It carries the professional obligation to serve humanity by making the best possible use of our planet's precious resources. Engineering decisions have far-reaching impacts on our land, water, and people. Integrating this awareness into our missions ensures that we uphold our responsibilities beyond the drawing board. Everything is interconnected. From local landmarks to natural rivers, our environment serves as a complex system that demands our full attention regarding pollution, recovery, and careful stewardship. The health of our natural resources depends on our commitment to measure, restore, and maintain them. By formalizing and naming these features, we ensure they remain recognized and protected. This video explores stewardship, which is at the heart of our collective care for the environment. #AwesomeEngineering. What happens when AI makes the picture? Issue number 3 of our series explored this question and what the experiment taught us. The image might be synthetic, but the reaction is real. AI tools have made creating media fast and inexpensive, providing practical training and new production workflows. Even with AI, there is still a place for the camera. These experiments increase the value of high-quality real photography, making it a vital skill to develop. When we look at content today, it is important to distinguish between what is AI-generated and what is captured through real photography. The future of work was already arriving. Our third issue playfully imagined an HR manager and an AI manager discussing the evolving landscape. Could the HR manager become an AI manager? We discussed how HR roles might expand to cover AI resources, including training, development, and maintaining the human element. Ultimately, work is still about people. While technology changes tasks, it does not remove our responsibility to make human-centered decisions. Some engineering problems, like those affecting professionals, remain invisible. We advocate for designing productive work around purpose, rather than accidental interruption. Take the Rolling Stones as an example of endurance. Their touring career, active since 1963, shows that a strong foundation can lead to lasting success. As we conclude this video, we hope for similar longevity. Deck 36 continues to move forward with gratitude, experiments, and the next big thing already forming.